Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the base plate for the button maker. I've already modeled the overall extrusion, which should be pretty straightforward for you at this point. And then I've created a second sketch with the center points for the holes that I'm going to be putting in the top or the front, however you want to call it. And I've fully constrained those with these dimensions that you can see here. I'm going to go in and right-click on the sketch and just hide those dimensions so that I don't have to look at them. And then now we can add our holes, and notice it automatically selects those 4 center points, and we don't want all 4 holes to be the same. The 2 ones on the edge are going to be the same, and then so I'll do those together, and then the 2 inner ones are going to be the same. I'll do those later. If you look at the dimensions on the worksheet, those outermost holes are 1/4 inch diameter all the way through, with a countersink feature 1/2 inch at 82 degrees. So I need to pick my 1/4 inch diameter, 0.25. It doesn't tell me what class, so I'm just going to use the 2B class as a good sort of medium class to use. 1/2 inch countersink, there we have it, through all. Now notice the 2 other center points go away because that hole feature has consumed the sketch, so I have to right click and share the sketch. Then I can do my second hole feature on those 2 remaining holes. Those are going to be 0.3125 straight through plain drilled hole, 0.3125, and not threaded all the way through. Click OK. Then we have on the 4 edges we have the fillets, 1/2 inch fillets, and then chamfer all the way around the top and bottom edges. So we'll do that next. First, the fillet feature. Now again, for the fillet, if all the radii are the same for your fillets, you should do them all in one feature. You shouldn't have multiple fillet features if they're all the same. So we check my radius is 0.50. That's correct. Now the chamfer feature is kind of like a fillet, but instead of a curve or a round, it's just sort of a 45-degree angle, or at some angle. All your chamfers, if you look at the directions, it says your chamfers are 1/32 on the top and bottom edges. Now we're done with everything except the holes on the back side or on the bottom side. We need 4 holes at the corners, threaded number 8 32 thread holes. Now I do need to use create a sketch there, but you'll notice I already have the geometry that I've already created was projected onto this surface, onto this sketch. So I can actually latch on to these 4 center points of the fillets that I used. I don't have to actually create separate center points. I'm just going to change them to center points in the formatting palette. Then I can use the hole feature, finish that sketch, use the hole feature, select all 4 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, these are threaded holes. My threaded option is down there. Number 8 thread is a smaller sized machine screw right there, and number 832 class 2B. And it's not all the way through, so I have to set a distance. Not all the way through, doesn't go through to the front. The depth of these holes is 0.2875, so I need to type that in here, 0.2875. And then you'll see they don't go all the way through if I look on the back on the front side. So there's my threaded hole, number 8 holes in the back. Flip it around, and there we have it.